Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I make my lollipops, and they're a good size, like they're the size of my palm, so they're pretty big. You can make these as big or as little as you want to. So these are just a few that I made. So what you're going to need in this video: a skewer, lollipop stick, or a cake pop stick, whichever one you prefer. Now I use the skewers because they are a little bit longer, but they do get heavy. Like the longer it is, they do get heavy, so it tends to bend a little bit. I haven't had any snap on me, but so first I'm going to show you guys how I make my twist lollipops. Alright guys, so you will need some polymer clay. Any color that you want to use, you can. I'm going to be using a pearl teal color, purple color, and also a dusty rose color and a white. Knead this for a little while, just until it becomes soft. So this is what we call making a cane. So first you're going to make a cane. They're not really difficult. I know they look kind of difficult and you're like, well, how the heck did you make that? Well, it's pretty easy. All right, so you want to make it about the same, but you want to make these smaller. And take some of our white, make about 3 smaller ones to go in between each of these. All right, so with our white piece of clay, we're going to take our colors and we're just going to start placing those on. What you want to do is you want to mash these together. Mash those, mash it on down. Just because those two are getting kind of close together and it might cover up that white, I'm going to put a piece of white right here, just to make sure it doesn't cover up the white. You know what? I'm gonna put a little piece right here. That way these won't cover up the white either. Thin. It's not too thin, but it's getting kind of thin. So you're just gonna turn it. You're just gonna turn it. You're just gonna start spinning it. Make sure you're very light with your hands because you don't want to mess it up. So you're just gonna turn it. Alright guys, so once you have that, you're gonna set it out the way, and what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna make another one, and this one's gonna be teal and white. Alright guys, for my lollipop twist, I like to use a skewer. So I just take the skewer and I just wrap the cane around the skewer. Just wrap around. It's really easy, self-explanatory. You guys can see it, so you pretty much get it. And what you're going to do now is place both of them on a baking sheet. I put aluminum foil down and then I put it in my toaster oven. Then I bake mine super slow, but I want you guys to read the directions on the back of your package so that you can do it correctly. Next up, we have our lollipops. So I'm going to show you guys how to make this really quickly. instead of rolling this around a stick, we're just going to roll this on itself until you come up with a big spiral circle that looks like a pinwheel. Then you're just going to stick a lollipop stick in that, bake it in the oven, and you're done. Now I did add some extra glitter for this because I wanted it to be sparkly, so that's optional. You can do that if you want to. So after it's baked and it's been cool for a while, I'm just going to take some of my triple thick gloss that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to glaze this up real nice. Now this is optional. It looks beautiful the way it is, but you can opt to make it a little more shinier. So do this if you want to. If you want to keep it matte looking, it's beautiful both ways. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My name is Crafty Babilon. Subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.